Goeiedag and good day. So today I have something a bit different. It's an unboxing video, and not just any unboxing video. It's a miniature by Shoshie Bauer by Shoshie Minis. And I'm so excited to finally have this miniature in my hand because we have been talking since it was still in concept art. And I just want to show you real quick just the box. I mean, look at that. Isn't that so cool? And they are all limited edition, all her designs, the ones she already made and the ones she still will make in the future. Um, but that's not the reason why I like her design so much. Because you see, Shoshi, and I totally agree with her, felt most miniatures, male miniatures, they always had to be these fierce and angry and serious figures. Um, and why is that? Why can't men show more emotions like joy, like sadness? It's all human emotion. So she felt the need to make more minis that showed more male emotion and to show it's okay. So it's very cool that she managed to get those designs into these miniatures, and I would like to show you the current one, which is called Nice Catch. So let me show you with the camera turned upside down. Here we have a Nice Catch, which is a limited edition from Shoshies Minis, and it's fairly new, as you can see, which is always cool to have something that is brand spanking new. And as you can see, he's a merman, and not just any kind of merman. He's an Asian merman. And I have to say, I really like this detail because you rarely see any Asian type miniatures. I mean, unless it's a samurai or something like that, but it's mostly the outfits that will tell you it's Asian. And he looks like it. A bit Filipino-like. The art that came with it backs that up as well with a nice warm skin tone, and I just love everything about this. I mean, the green tail, the blue in the hair, a bit of purple in the fish and around in the netting around his hips. This is just, it's perfect. I usually don't like to recreate any, well, let's call it box art, because I feel there is so much more to do with your own fantasy, but it will be hard to top this. It really will. Well, let me show you what we have in the box. Some lovely pink paper stuffing and a baggie with miniature parts. Oh, you can go with the rest. Let me see what is in here. Oh, come on. The first thing that catches my eye is the base. It's very cool. It has some splashing water, which gives a nice touch of movement, with some bubbles, some rocks, and what's this? Some shells. It's very pretty. Let's see. We have a nice big tail with the netting around its hips. I really like that detail because it breaks up the long shape of the tail, especially if you have the torso on top of it. Check it out. And look at that joyful face. Oh, I love it. Let me see if I can get it as a whole for as best as possible. Oh, I think this is best I can do without Ooh, dropping it. Check it out. He's on top of the rocks with the splashing water behind him. It kind of reminds me of the Little Mermaid. Isn't that adorable? Very cool, very cool. So, what do you think? Do you think that Shoshie has some good points about the lack of male emotion in minis? Or do you prefer the tough warriors with the angry faces and just look at me, how powerful I am? Just let me know. What do you think of the design? What do you think of the idea behind all of this? Tell me in the comments. And I hope I will be back with a new video soon. Something a bit more paint related. Maybe I will paint him. There is so much to do, always. But until then, have a good day, enjoy some painting, and thank you for watching.